Hi, this is Naya Khan. Today is my new topic on how many oceans in this world in history. There are 5 recognized oceans on Earth. Oceans full topic overview. 1. What are oceans? Oceans are vast bodies of salt water that cover about 71% of Earth's surface. They form one continuous global ocean, but are divided into 5 main oceans for geographic and scientific purposes. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. 2 ocean layers, zones. Oceans are divided both horizontally regions and vertically depth zones. By depth, epipelagic sunlight zone, surface to approximately 200 meters. Most marine life lives here. Mesopelagic twilight zone, 200 meters to 1,000 meters. Less light, fewer species. Bathypelagic midnight zone, 1,000 meters to 4,000 meters. Pitch dark, cold. Abyssopelagic zone, 4,000 meters to 6,000 meters. Near freezing. Hadal-pelagic zone, 6,000 meters plus trenches. Very high pressure. 3. Ocean life. Oceans support an estimated 2 million marine species, many still undiscovered. Ecosystems include coral reefs, kelp forests, deep sea vents, open ocean pelagic zones. Marine life ranges from microscopic plankton to giant whales and squid. For importance of oceans: regulate climate, absorb heat and carbon dioxide, influence weather, produce oxygen. Phytoplankton produce approximately 50% of Earth's oxygen. Food source: fish, seaweed, and other marine products. Economic resource: shipping, oil and gas, tourism, fishing industries. Cultural and recreational use, spiritual traditions, travel, sport. 5 ocean currents and climate systems. Ocean currents move warm and cold water around the globe. Major currents: Gulf Stream, Kuroshio, Antarctic Circumpolar Current. Phenomena: El Niño, La Niña affect global rainfall, storms, and temperatures. 6. Human impact. Pollution, plastics, chemicals, oil spills, overfishing, unsustainable fishing practices damage ecosystems. Climate change, ocean war. 1. Pacific Ocean, largest and deepest ocean, located between Asia and Australia and the Americas. 2. Atlantic Ocean, second largest, lies between the Americas and Europe to Africa. 3. Indian Ocean, third largest, borders southern Asia, Africa, and Australia. 4. Southern Ocean, surrounds Antarctica, officially recognized in 2000 by the International Hydrographic Organization. 5. Arctic Ocean, smallest and shallowest, located around the North Pole, bordered by North America, Europe, and Asia. These oceans are all interconnected, forming one global ocean system. Want a map or diagram showing where each is located? Pacific Ocean. 1. Introduction. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean in the world. It stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean near Antarctica, bordered by Asia and Australia on the west, and the Americas on the east. 2. Key facts. Area: about 165 million square kilometers, 63.8 million square miles. Depth: average depth is around 4,280 meters. Deepest point: Mariana Trench, approx 11,000 meters, 36,000 feet deep. Name or origin: named by Ferdinand Magellan in 1521. He called it Mar Pacifico, meaning peaceful sea. 3. Ocean currents and climate. Major currents: North and South Equatorial Currents, Kuroshio Current warm, California and Peru Currents cold. Climate role: controls global weather through El Niño and La Niña, which affect rain, storms, and temperature patterns worldwide. For Ring of Fire. The Pacific Ocean is surrounded by the Ring of Fire, a major area with frequent earthquakes, many volcanoes, tsunamis triggered by undersea quakes. 5. Marine life. Extremely rich in biodiversity. Coral reefs, for example, Great Barrier Reef. Whales, sharks, tuna, sea turtles. Deep sea creatures near trenches and vents. Important fishing region, especially for tuna and sardines. 6. Human importance. Economy, major shipping routes, fishing grounds, oil and gas exploration. Cultural, home. Too many coastal and island communities with deep cultural ties to the ocean, for example. Polynesia, Hawaii. Travel and tourism, beaches, cruises, marine parks. 7. Environmental challenges. Pollution, especially the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, a huge floating mass of plastic waste. Overfishing reduces fish populations and harms ecosystems. Coral bleaching, caused by warming waters and climate change. Sea level rise affects low-lying Pacific islands. 8. Fun facts. It could fit all the continents combined inside it. Home to thousands of islands, including Hawaii, Fiji, and the Philippines. Atlantic Ocean. 1. Reintroduction. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean after the Pacific. It separates the Americas from Europe and Africa. Named after Atlas, a figure from Greek mythology. 2. Key facts. Area, about 106 million square kilometers, 41 million square miles. Average depth, around 3,646 meters, 11,960 feet. Deepest point, Puerto Rico Trench, about. The Titanic sank in the North Atlantic in 1912. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is a continuous mountain. Indian Ocean. 1. Reintroduction. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean on Earth, located between Africa, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. Named after India, due to its central location in the northern Indian Ocean. 2. Key facts. Area, about 70.6 million square kilometers, 27.2 million square miles. Average depth, about 3,741 meters, 12,270 feet. Deepest point, Java Trench, around 7,258 meters, 23,812 feet deep. Warmest ocean on average. Due to its location near the equator and limited connection to polar regions. Southern Ocean. 1. Reintroduction. The Southern Ocean is the fourth largest ocean and the youngest. Arctic Ocean. 1. Reintroduction. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest ocean on Earth, located around the North Pole. It is mostly covered by sea ice, especially in winter, surrounded by parts of North America, Europe, and Asia. 2. Key facts. Area, about 14 million square kilometers, 5.4 million square miles. Average depth, about 1,200 meters, 3,937 feet. Deepest point, Molloy, deep in the Fram Strait, around 5,550 meters, 18,210 feet. 3. Climate. Coldest ocean overall, with ice-covered waters much of the year. Polar night and day. Some areas experience months of darkness winter or light summer. Ice melts in the summer and expands in the winter. Ice thickness and area are shrinking due to climate change. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.